Good morning from Two Guys Homesteading. This is Shane. I wanted to show you some of the stuff we're building around here today. First, we'll say hello to the pigs. Hey guys. It rained, so everybody's muddy. Alright. We are building a chicken tunnel to do away with the multiple chicken pens that we have. Here is the skeleton for it. Alright, I'll walk you through it. It's about 10 foot wide, 10 foot tall, or 8 foot tall. And we're going to cover it with chicken wire, and we'll build a roof on it, probably with a tarp. It takes a little turn. Goes this way. This thing is going to be 1,300 square feet, so the chickens will have lots and lots and lots of room to scratch and peck and crow. And there's the end. So we will be doing away with pens such as this and that. Well, the skeleton's up. Next is the chicken wire and the tarps. And then we move the chickens. I'll keep you guys updated. Thanks for following.